Hi, I'm StackChan, the first co-created open-source AI desktop robot. What can I do for you?
How much does the Earth weigh?
Approximately 5.97 trillion tons.
Daddy,
Please order a pizza for me.
The pizza has been ordered for you and is expected to arrive in 40 minutes.
could you tell me more about this story?
It's a magical story.
Turn off the TV. Activate the working mode.